Mema Obibiakwa ever GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Anamede Bremo. Aye KT Kevin Taylor were reacted to aye and some aye Kennedy Agyapong Okupio Bantama or the Ensembia to Jaffaye Asenso watching Anuna Kitty react out Padan Zembibre Eddie. Now as an assembly in Abebano. Mr. Say so we now subscribe to the channel now. Mr. Say Obe subscribe. To be honest, say Obe click aye subscribe button. Na wabele notification no where sa video fufu bi ebe upload no also wonsa ebe can be after na wa like video no on my thumbs up na fe wa share ma offer so enye bi na won hwe afi yemko and seminim aye keti wa react to aye some aye Kennedy Agyapong back am the story ebe 2 ho aye Kennedy Agyapong okupio Bantama constituency oho na ni nya ba ko aye friend Raf Agyapong no so pese wudina na ye to the swaba na woni nipa obegina e wo constituency wo na no na ye Asenso Boakye onane current MP wo ho sisi no o say gina biom na no na Kennedy Agyapong kopi wo ho a wode ensem tu da say ma wane to ma ye Asenso Boakye na say woni nim na wane to ma na eye ensem wode ba beto obonti de enye ensem ketwa na no na ye osanso e ka Asenso Boakye ho asem wo chese Asenso Boakye ni former chief justice justice Anin Yeboah aye dan bia na former supreme court judge a wonye ba bi ko ne dan no anafa ne no na Kennedy Agyapong be kire se aye Asenso Boakye oye corrupt na sikasem bi ni ade abra na oye deputy chief of staff ansa na be ko hu na na do no na kire se se utue sika bi ni ade Kennedy Agyapong de sanse bu nyina betuga na ne se bu nyina wo boroboro so no na ye keti aye capital so aba wontin abe react to bi di amane wo mo kire se wonu nyini nyina wane ya konfo any KT and fa one ho ancho any former chief justice and also within whom and some to that to be money one na yes some reno intentema ye KT yiti said KT reacted to a and some year Kennedy Agyapong Asenso Boakye sensemi yiti KT reaction yiti ni zamono
Asenso Boakye and Kennedy Agyapong asembiaba and people are talking about it a lot. The person me kawa asebu ehun say Asenso Boakye ababoncha because Kennedy Agyapong some okafa ne hu nyina ya tro about ono any the former chief justice Anin Yeboah. I have told you so many times former chief justice Anin Yeboah no e kromfo. I have told you maka kire mo abesinde na moti ha na meka kire mo say $5 million scandal e hangini kom ebesinde Anin Yeboah e dragi case that do free Supreme Court Anin Yeboah my car a dan a okwaje frinko fo sema anwanfo asase be the videos kiremo Kennedy Agyapong what he is doing today it should not shock anybody. Asenso Boakye and the Ministry of Housing have come out to say Kennedy Agyapong in sema okeka say ono Asenso Boakye we asase we nyina e atro na emom no ono onye hwe and mama history about endine asase no. What I want to say in say so you Ghana ni na wo hwe me now I will say Kennedy Agyapong the oil Bantama against Asenso Boakye no it is in the interest of Ghana not Sebio with all due respect we Jimmy for I'm telling you Kennedy Agyapong Bantama campaign amani nua say ombetu Asenso Boakye adentra Asenso Boakye did not support him to contest Mahmoud Bawumia. Asenso Boakye is a thief, you all know. Kennedy Agyapong is a thief. Now, I am not going to sit on my platform and say, Kennedy Agyapong is right about Asenso Boakye, and Asenso Boakye is right about the two of them are criminals. Now, for Kennedy Agyapong to even mount a stage, now, like I say, former Chief Justice Yewi, onimse wafa wei, Asenso Boakye su yewi. Now, man, to ama Asenso Boakye, dear mekano, Kennedy does not even deserve to stand on any platform. Now, Kennedy name will say, Sebio. Ye mudu do Ghana for no titru ye nuanema wasantim sebio emudu do ne Jimmy oba o se Ghana first oba o se o se man to amami nua make say party no se man to amami nua ensema me de beba no. This is a man who was telling you say he is clean. Kennedy Agyapong everybody is a liar ono kwa ne kanokre. Now listen to Kennedy Agyapong na me ka se mincho and I know most of you guys you've seen this video already.
Former Chief Justice Oni Judicial Service any Asenso Omu Meyano Eye Justice Mafu Sound Owusu no ifia wotimu no. Edie na esi. Aban dia enipa bi omo fa sa dan kra ne enwo wo mo. Enne positions inti on pese omo de fa. No omo ba omo bedu omo no. I have a tax for the vice president of Mahama. The vice president winio Mahama ne winio me say sa dan no di media chiri am make sure so my investigation. Let them take me to court. Only I mean a report to special prosecutor first. My dear former Chief Justice, he should come out and let us know. Justice Safu Mafu Sound, if he are no team or Cecilia Dapaah. What kind of life is this? I mean, it's no that kind of culture. Some of you should know. I feel I'm more patch on Kennedy Agyapong on Kasai, no better campaign now as you on your campaign. Some of you in Mukasa, and maybe Obia when you Mukasa. Let me stay away from this campaign and we shall see what will happen.
Secretary Agyapong, we read the MPP for so much Jimmy. And my catcher will say, every time we are MPP for episode, BBI, almost start to us antimemu. Is Kennedy Agyapong can say, Baumia age me, Onim economy, Onim BBI. Baumia is a failed politician. And Kennedy Agyapong can say we should vote for him and that he's cleaner and better and that he's coming with a new NPP. And Kennedy Agyapong can say, oh, someone come and want to ma on your campaign Baumia. This guy has no principles. Nipa what we are say 29 also who say obetumia poison wekum. Kennedy Agyapong is not a man or what principles or the bonne brow. All that Kennedy Agyapong or Bantaman any interest. Mo kwasiafona mugona mo ye pacha no mo Jimmy Amano. Kennedy Agyapong does not care about you people sitting there. But when we say mo Jimmy, so he is going to capitalize on your weak intelligence. Suddenly, Kennedy Agyapong nim bonia Asenso buachi di ye nyina enini Yeboah di ye. When did he get to know about it? Suddenly, Kennedy Agyapong onimobia boni inti Cecilia no oni na betuma expose obia so onye dia the only thing ebe mana stopping say yentuma ni nua no asantifo agimi nti Kennedy obese party nti yankotuma ni nua no Asenso buachi ekromfo Asenso buachi nim kasa Asenso buachi agimi Asenso buachi de se motuma na de meye party no then Kennedy is a walking contradiction or ekromfo. Nobody can trust Kennedy. Oh, your banner that Kennedy chima de chiana kukuduro. Because before you people go to bed, this man can tell you your life is safe. By the time I'm to no because this is the same man who was telling you say, Baumia say Ghana, Baumia any MP before no, omo yakromfo, omo wiabema Baumia. This same guy is standing before Ghana for say, some per se meye campaigner, so this guy is basically telling you, say, me all that I need is do what I like and I'll leave you people. How? Into Akasa no mwejiminti also Ghana first. Kennedy Agyapong didn't come into politics because of you. Senka Kennedy Agyapong omo amoto abama no ema de ba politics mu omo nana odwene omo ho a ankende anka ni krom asen fosu anase ase dia ndie dompem no anka eho e fetching Johannesburg. I'm telling you, Kennedy Agyapong came into politics as selfish interest. Someday no can be or say ni nua no and we ni anase case ni ma NPP. Listen, ebi amo amonte kasa monte politics aseno or say sa ni nua no person di MP what eye bantama no sa ni nua no na di na chiko court as a lawyer echo winning case against the Anas. Kennedy Agyapong the journalist to TV so and your board journalist too and Anas a defending ho no Kennedy Agyapong nua no ko gina court ko catch Ghana for say eye amesole na yekunu no eye Anas sa ne ku no enye Kennedy Agyapong enti court no enye den ema Kennedy Agyapong enante sa akoyo ko defend Kennedy say amesole na yebo ni tu no enye sebio Anas ne bo amesole tu no sa akwane person obeye MP. This guy could not defend or could not say my brother, this issue you are talking about is about human lives. As much as we hear me, what you did alone by putting the guy's face on TV, it could be Senyor Naukun Ahmed Swale. But morally, in my job, no, I cannot go stand in court and defend you, because what signal would I be sending to people out there? Because tomorrow, another member of parliament who is a lawmaker can also go sit on TV and say, Asimesue, Munkurin Tonchene, Adiachin so, Mankitu in Tianam. So this is a person and this is a person, he is in court defending murder against a journalist. It is a Kennedy say, Ninya way ne ko defending or court. Emani beden, emani winning against an answer. That means Ninya way, he is a what? He's a defender of crime. Into a journalist, not a TV. So now, Kennedy Niano. This is the same person who could court case. You could journalist kuno because Mimi Niana, because I'm on 4 pointing fingers to Minya, and people don't have evidence. Into me, Kwaku defend no. Abraham morally, what your brother did contributed to the murder of Ahmed Swale. Now, Kennedy Agyapong is trying to protect his interest. Ninuano person or mani parliament. Say Ninuani rap parliamenta. Mo amugu bantu mo yankwasi afomano. No kasa di krom dompem hono. Edian wa yo. Have you people asked yourself? Or no kasa baby odi so 20 years to 30 years no. Dompem hono mono. Ade na o mani nuanu mumun koye rap or dompem. No fam punti onko dompem. Na so bantama no pe. Edian na Kennedy Agyapong je bantama, he is bitter. Apart from Asenso apart from Asenso Kennedy Agyapong is just bitter. Kennedy Agyapong is bitter and he wants to play on the conscience of MPP delegates because what testimony here when we say Jimmy sensationalism in media politics. Obey use mwache. Kennedy Agyapong sending Miano genuinely or Pesoko Ghana Parliament Kosuma on the constituency because you just left a seat. And so why you Juma Asin Central now him say Juma now no e so enia obana so peja wunu answer say montuma no ntwa so a obi abeto ama no adentina for nia nko ho but we wunu say sa pity sa bitterness no we wunu say MPP sebio asantefo dodo na jimi into ababantama or say sa so buache ni MPP for ahwe ni ye a menya campaign mo your campaign or your no campaign will not change anything now one case you have a campaign ma hono de na unya.
Yo, waiting for cows GC News. So, and our channel, say we don't subscribe or ya, message say over subscribe no like it, watch a video no. Also, bet me actually watching offer and so we who ever comment boxing mobile minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.